Hey guys, on today's item shop we have quite a few things, so let's start off with Yellow Jacket, which we have from way back in the day, plus Summer Legend Pack, which is one of my favorite packs at the moment. And right now we have something really special that just came out, and it's this pack right here, which is pretty awesome. However, would like to note that this is not a giftable item. As you guys can see, there's no option to gift here. So if you're signing up for one of my giveaways, this is not something that you guys can ask for. Although it's really cheap actually, there's no gifting option. However, when we're just looking at the skin itself, yes, that is fully giftable. Or if you just like the harvesting tool, that is also giftable. And yes, that also includes the glider. And let's not forget about the pretty cool wrap. Next up, we have this skin from Chapter 2, Season 1. We've also got this version of the outfit, plus this one right here, or this guy. Let's not forget about the female version of this type of skin, which does include this version of the female skin, or even this one. Last but not least, this version of the female skin. Next up, we've got Deadeye. Deadeye was introduced in Chapter 2, Season 1 as well. And the Wicked Harvesting Tool, plus the perfect wrap to go along with the skin. Moving on to Jungle Scout. And yes, this skin that was introduced in Season 7 is back. Let's not forget about our emotes, which does include this emote and this really funny one. Lastly, this harvesting tool is back in the item shop. Now luckily under special offers we do have these skins still, which does include this one, this other one, or this one. Let's not forget about this really wicked skin, plus its harvesting tools. And yes, under special offers we can buy this skin right here. Plus these emotes are also under special offers. Let's not forget about breaking and glow sticks. We also got the glow rider and the glow stick harvesting tool. Anyways, that would be it for this item shop. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.